Hi, Future Malia here. If you do not want to watch the whole video and you just want to go straight to the experiments, I'm going to put the time cards here, and there will also be a link to the exact time in the description of the video. If you don't want to just skim through the video to find it, you can just click it and go straight to that point. But yeah, you guys enjoy the video.
Alright, so today I'm going to be making elephant toothpaste for my chemistry class. I got my goggles. He's gonna be watching this, so this is probably gonna be the most professional video you've ever seen. If you want to use it anytime, I do not care. You can use it whenever. I got all my supplies. I'm doing this outside because it's so nice out today. It says pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide solution. Okay. I need to find food coloring because I want to make it look cool. We're going to be using green because it's the only one I could find. It's the only one I could find, so we're using green. I'm gonna put my goggles on. Hold on a sec. Okay. We're ready to do this experiment now. Give these about 5 minutes to activate before proceeding to the next step. Okay. I got a measuring cup because I don't know how much half a cup is. I got 2 water bottles because we have to do this twice. Okay, so I'm gonna pour half a cup into this measuring cup here. So we're gonna pour, this is the hydrogen peroxide. This might take a minute. Okay, half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, we did that. Now we need to pour it in there, into the bottle. That is all the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, now it says we need 1/4 cup of Dawn. I'm gonna pour this in. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but pretty well. Okay, ooh, it's spilling down the side. I did not plan this very well. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy. It's okay. Judge all they want. We're doing science over here. If you see my cat, they kind of roam around. They're big scaredy cats though, so they'll run away before anything happens. I gotta put goggles on you, Blade. He wouldn't wear goggles. He would scratch me. He already scratched me. Right there, and right there. And there's another one right there. Oh, he's scared. See, he's running away. Now we need to do the yeast. Okay, so I did my dish soap in my bottle. Now we need the yeast. Mix a packet of yeast with a little warm water in a separate container. So I got my separate container, not this one. That's a bottle. I got my separate container and I got my yeast. Say how much water, but it says a little, so we're gonna do a little. So we need to do 1 packet and 2 packets. Move that. Okay. So I got my bowl and my yeast. Pour this into here. Don't mind the dog. It likes to yap. And I'm gonna go put some water in it. Well, we have I'm upside down. We have a predicament. As I was trying to figure out if we're gonna need to stir this, I ripped my pants on the door. Now has a little hole in the side of my pants. Great. Okay, we do have to mix it. Okay, cool. And now we wait. Ooh, this is nasty. Okay, we'll be back. While we wait, I'm gonna drop my food coloring into the bottle. She'll go. Go. Is there a thing on it? Oh, there is. Never been opened before. Okay. Oh, I was about to pour the whole thing in there. Oh, this is a mess. Swish it around a little bit. Look at that green. Green everywhere now. This is bad. Ah! It's all in my hands. My cat, Blade, is gonna watch. He's right here. Hey. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes now, so we are going to pour the yeast into the bottle now. Okay, here we go. See how it goes. Oh, look at it bleed! Oh my god. That is cool. That's so cool. All right. Okay, so that was the first one. Now we have to do it another time with 2 packets of yeast instead of 1, because I only added 1 on that one. So now we have to do it 2 times. Okay, now we have to do it all over again. So I got my cup again. Hydrogen peroxide was 1/3, right? 1/4, I think. Oh, I was wrong. 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide. Okay, 1 packet. 1 packet. Here is the second one. All right, 2 packets of yeast. Now we need more water. Now we wait 5 more minutes. It got all over here. My hands are dying. This is out of control. I have green dye all over me. Look at that. Let's mix this. Nice and green. It's getting worse. I'm turning into Shrek. My hands were dyed green. New food coloring. Could be so messy. It is now time to put this right here. This is 2 packets of yeast. We're doing this. Okay. That one seemed a little thinner. I'm not gonna lie. All right, well, here it is, my elephant toothpaste. I've turned into Shrek. It's almost nighttime. Sun is almost down. And today was a good day. So, I did something cool. I did something fun. To me, I have a green thumb. I don't have a green thumb. I kill every plant. Put this together. So, hope you guys like this, or my professor. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.